Hello, today I wanted to show you a hot water heater that I made for my clubhouse. Alright, let's try to get on top of the roof of the clubhouse to show you what all this is about. This is very, very, very simple. Whoa! You can see it's very, very simple. It's just a big black hose laid out. And then there's a part of it that is a valve. And then the water that comes out of it is just semi-hot. Like, it's just kind of hot. It's not super hot. It's not like super fancy and anything like that. It's just kind of hot. It's very warm. As you can tell, I have this little thing up here. It's an Orbit gooseneck valve. Then whenever I want hot water, I turn that on. And then it turns that water on, and it gives me warm water. It's efficient. There's the there's the other thing. But yeah, thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed.